Hi, Chris here for Tech and welcome to the channel where today you'll learn how to customize some Microsoft Word settings. So let's get started now. And in today's video, you'll learn how to change 3 Microsoft Word settings. Like this, every time you start a new document, it will be formatted the way you want it. So for this table, the default is set like this. And you can see right now, the size is 11 in Algerian italic. Of course, this is not really practical. So to change that, we need to go on the Home tab here. Then in the font group, which is here, we need to open up the font dialog box. And we do that with a small arrow in the corner here. So once you click that, you can see in this new window, we have Algerian, italic, and 11. Just to change the settings. For the font, I'm going to go Arial. For the font style, it will be regular. And for the font size, it will be 8. Of course, you can change the color if you want to, and so on and so forth. Why don't I show you? We put, this, for example. If you like it that way, well. Then I click here, down on the left bottom corner with set as default. And this pop-up, it's Word asking if you want to change with the format for only this document, or if you are going to make it for all documents. We will select all documents. Then you either press enter or click OK. I press OK and there it is. You can see everything is set for us. We can move on now to the second tips, which is about the margin and how many times we find ourselves spending a few moments resizing them. Well, not to worry, as we will just have to do that once, set it and forget about it. So to change the default margin, we are still going into the ribbon, and this time the settings are under the page layout here. Once there, locate the margin button either here or you can go in the corner here and select it. Then a new window will appear, the same as if you click in this one, then go all the way down to custom margin. When you click on it, a new window will appear, the same as if you click on the small corner here. So here, we will set the margin we desire. I will put it to 0.8, and as you can see, it is almost live here when I change it. If you want to know about the page which is under the middle section, you can see the drop-down list. If you want to know more about it, just let me know in the comment down below. I may do a special about that. Then, near the bottom left corner, you can see a drop-down box, which is called Apply to. Click on it and choose Select Text or Select Section. Then you either press Enter or click OK. I press OK and there it is. And if you do so, this happens. Alright, I revert back. So now, to set the margin as a default for all the documents, we must resume from section 4. For this example, I'm going to make them again all 0.8. So I type in next section 0.8 again. Then at the bottom left corner this time, you can see a box named Set as a Default. Click on it. Once more, a dialog box that says, do you want to change the default setting for the page setup? Appears. Select yes, and guess what? It has changed it. Who would have thunk it? Anyway, let's see the last tip now. As for the last one, I keep for you the line spacing. Although we do not give too much thought about it, line spacing can drastically change your document. Let me show you how. Before that, let me give you a free tip on how to add random text to a document. I'll open a new one with a shortcut. In here, I will simply write this, equal rand, then open and close the parentheses like so and press enter. This will add a random text that I can use for our demo. First, you can select the paragraph you wish to change with a double click, or if you want the full document, put your mouse over in the section bar like so. You can see your cursor has changed to an arrow. Do 3 clicks and then the whole thing is selected. Or you can press Ctrl and A on your keyboard. It's easier. Anyway, then on the Home tab under Paragraph with a small arrow here in the corner, open up the dialog box like so, and we can see a new window pop up. And now, situated slightly below the middle under the spacing section, we can see that the document paragraph is set to 10 points. And the line spacing is fixed at 1.15. We will change the space to 8 points, and here nothing happened until I press enter or select the OK, or if you want, set as a default. If set as a default is selected, then once more the dialog box that will appear and says, do you want to change the default setting for the page setup? Select yes, and guess what? it will change it. But before that, a few things to note here, because there is a minimum alarm for the paragraph. We can set it to 0 point without a problem, but the line spacing has a minimum fixed at 0.6. And if you put lesser than that, you will have this dialog box that lets you know just that. And even it is not suggested, as your font will be extremely small. Let me show you. There. Looking at the first paragraph, we noticed that the spacing is non-existent and the line even superpose each other. So far we have changed the default font from the Home tab under the font group. We also set the default margin, and this is under the page layout using the margin icon, and we fixed the default spacing for the paragraph. Do please let me know if you wish me to give you guys more information about Word documents, and see you in the next video. That is it for today. Thank you for watching the video, and just to let you know, I started the Patreon where if you want, you can support me. And again, if you enjoy it, you know what to do. You can do your YouTube things, like if you want to, subscribe, you may as well, or you can also press the bell icon if you want to be notified every time I post a new video. However, if you do not like this video, simply leave a comment down below and tell me why it's so. I will try to do it for you guys. Stay safe and bye now!